You can read English articles. You can read anything of English language, but you can't say English language in in front of people's. It is your big problem. Now you have to solve this problem. But how? Yes, it is possible. Afterwards, you have to study, you have to practice continuously. Then it will be easy for you. You know, once I couldn't speak English, but today I can speak English because I did hard study always. In the future, I will hard study, I will hard practice with myself. Keep in mind, English is not our first language, it is our second language, or you can say it is an international language, so it is mandatory for us. In any rate, we have to learn English.